Hello friends, this is Vivek Bajaj. I am the co-founder of Elearnmarkets. Friends, I've been into market for 15 years. A lot of you would be knowing me. And I've seen all kind of market movements, market going up, market going down. And obviously, my experience of market is that whenever market goes up, typically it's steady. And whenever market goes down, it's actually quite ruthless. It really goes down and takes really strong nerves out of us. And this is a time when there is a true test of character. So people who have been new into the market and who have not seen these kind of volatility, for them it's a difficult time. The best way is to figure out what kind of volatility is suited to you. The volatility right now, and you know VIX is the best way to measure the volatility, is at a very high level, and it's not humanly possible for a normal person to make consistent money from this volatility. However, algo trading desk, they are making good money because these kind of volatility actually helps them to enter and exit the market in a very frequent manner. So if you are a manual trader and if you are used to trading actively in the market, slow down a bit. Don't be in a hurry to trade because market will show you that excitement, enticement to trade, but I don't think so this is the right time to trade actively into the market. What I suggest in this video is you do passive trading. And for investors, this is actually a very good market to look out for good opportunity stocks. Now, there is a theory which I've been practicing for a long period, and I feel that theory really works in market, is the relative price theory. Now, what is relative price theory? As the name suggests, you are relating the price movement of an underline with some other base, and the base could be that underline itself, or the base could be any benchmark index, or the base could be some other underline. Now, this relative price theory helps you to measure the strength of an instrument or a stock vis-a-vis other instruments. So how do you measure the strength? There are various indicators, there are various tools which can help you to measure the strength. Typically, the famous one is RSI, Relative Strength Index, which helps you to measure the strength of a stock or an underlying with respect to the immediate movement of that underlying. And also, there is a very unique indicator called relative strength, which helps you to measure the strength of that underline with respect to other underlines. Now, these two are very important parameters, and if you merge these two with breakout trades, I think there would be a great possibility of you identifying good filtered trade for yourself. So revert back to passive trading if you are, if it's possible for you to do that, and get into some kind of an active investing idea generation and use these three parameters to identify opportunities. Now, what I have done is I did a webinar last weekend on this particular topic, which is hosted in Elearnmarkets. I would sincerely advise you to subscribe to that webinar. In that webinar, I've given you a complete understanding of this topic, and I have also helped you with practical examples that how you are able to identify patterns in your stocks, or how you are able to identify patterns, new stocks which have similar kind of a pattern. Friends, this is a paid webinar. You have to subscribe to that paid webinar. The reason why I made it paid is because this is a concept which you guys should understand properly, and I strongly believe that if you pay some amount for understanding serious concepts, then obviously you try to apply those concepts. Apart from that, why it is paid is because we will give you support. So after you are done with that webinar, if you still need further support from us in terms of doubt clearing, in terms of follow-on query to be solved, we are more than willing to help you in that. So that's the reason why it is a paid webinar. We also offer you, if you are not yet part of StockEdge subscriber base, we will be offering you 1 month paid trial of which will be free for you for 1 month. We will be offering you that as part of the offering, as part of the cost which you will pay for this webinar. What I have done is the price of the webinar is 1,000 rupees. What we have done is we'll be giving you 33% off for my YouTube users. So there will be a coupon code right below the link of the webinar. As you can see the webinar in my background, The link of this webinar also will be there right below this video. Have a look at the webinar, use the coupon code, use StockEdge to identify opportunities, and trust me, my dear friend, this investment of yours will be totally worth it. It's a very, very minor investment, but it will really help you to go to the next level of your market participation. Thank you. I will be recording more videos. As you know, my face-to-face series, my InvestShala series, all these series are adding value to you. I'm sure you are enjoying the benefit. There's a lot of free content we keep on creating, and we also try to create premium paid content for all of you, so that you start realizing the value of premium content and you start implementing all the learnings which we are giving to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great life ahead. Keep yourself calm, peace. This is not the time to venture. This is not the time to be aggressive. Market is going to stay here. We all are here. So let's together build a fantastic wealth generating opportunities for ourselves. Thank you.